Ain't you was on monkey out with my nigga last night? His name Mike 1234.
Probably. Why, bitch? The fuck?
You mad? Because you.
That's
what
this
you?
app is for. If
Okay, and but still. Shit, whole lot of some shit, whole lot of some shit. What's that Slim again? You already know who it is. It's your girl Slim, and I'm back with another video. Period. Before I went to sleep, you hear me? I was just on some messy type shit. You hear me? I just want to be messy with some people. You hear me? We gonna be on Monkey App being messy, beefing with people that we don't. 2, 3. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you was on Monkey App last night. Talk to my man 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to see what's up. Where you from? I'm trying to pull up. Some shit like that. So y'all, we go about to be lit. So make sure y'all join some gang, subscribe, and click that notify bell. You hear me? So y'all, let's just get into the video because your girl on the. Hey.
Hi.
Put your face in the camera.
Oh, I know. It's just so black in here.
Add some time. Add some time, sis. Cause I think I know you from somewhere.
You do?
Yeah. I think I know you from last night. You was on okay with my man 1, 2, 3, 4 last night.
No.
Oh yes. Huh?
No.
You was on here last night with my man 1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
So you remember being on my man? I'm just trying to pull up, you know, and shoot the one because I don't play by my man. So what's up? What's the addy? You know.
Bye.
Hey y'all.
Hi.
Add time.
Where you going?
Add time.
Why you got an attitude for?
Cause I know her. She was on the phone with my man last
Fucking
night.
ugly, man. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Look like.
Look, they get mad when they talk shit when it's about to get off. You mad? Hey.
Hey, girl.
Add time. Cause I think I know you.
You say you feel like you know.
Yeah, I think I know you. I think you was on the phone with my man on Monkey App last night. His name Mike.
Oh my god.
His name Mike 1, 2, 3, 4.
You said I feel like you on the phone with my man.
Yeah.
I don't know you.
Yeah, you know me. What's your addy?
Bitch, what the fuck is wrong with you?
No, what's wrong with you? Cause your sis was on the phone with my man last night. So I'm really trying to just pull up and shoot the one. You know.
Or I can give your man my address and he can pull up.
No, I'm gonna go pull up. I'm gonna go pull up. Period.
No.
I'm gonna pull up. I'm gonna pull up, sis.
He's finna pull up on me right now. As a matter of
He ain't
fact.
finna pull up on you right now. He ain't gonna pull up. He ain't gonna pull up. He ain't gonna pull up. I'm gonna pull up. What? Mike 1, 2, 3, 4 on Monkey
What's
Out.
his name again?
Mike 1, 2, 3, 4 on Monkey Out. So what's that? Hello. The
Is he
Eddie.
serious or is he joking?
I'm serious. I'm dead serious.
Oh.
Who is that in the background? What you wanna do?
I don't know who the hell that is.
Who that is in the background?
Bro, you coming to Stockton at time. Oh, this bitch.
Hey.
You're pretty.
Huh? Hello.
You're pretty.
Thank you. Add time. Put your face in the
Hello.
camera. You can put your face in the camera, Ken. That's your name, Ken. Your name Ken.
Yeah, my name's Kennedy.
Kennedy. Oh, that's where I know you from. You was on Monkey
Yeah.
Up. You was on Monkey Up with my nigga last night. Ken, hello. Hello.
I was what?
You was on Monkey Up with my nigga last night.
Hello.
You deaf?
Maybe I was.
What's down?
Ooh, you're pretty.
Add time, cause I think I know you. Your name? Who is Kayla?
Me, I'm Kayla.
You was on live. You was on here with my nigga last night.
What?
Huh? His
I
name.
just recently just downloaded this shit. What? That's she looks like a YouTuber.
I am a YouTuber. I'm trying to get people to react to
I
me.
knew it. You look familiar.
I'm trying to get people to react to me.
I know you look familiar. I was like, she has to be a YouTuber.
I'm trying to get people to react to me to beef with people on things saying they beef with my nigga, but I ain't getting nobody. I'm probably.
Yeah, you was like, I think you was with my nigga last night.
I'm trying to get people to react to me, y'all. Hello? You left with your ugly bald headed. Bitch, I'm just trying to be for something. Ready for somebody to snap back. Hey. Add time, sis.
Okay, sis.
I think I know you from somewhere. Put your face in the camera.
From where?
Oh yeah, you was on Monkey Out with my nigga last night. What's up? What's funny? No. Hey.
Hi.
You right there with the blonde color hair. Ain't you was on Monkey Out with my nigga last night?
Yeah, we were. He was trying to hit it, but you know. Fucking free.
Hey.
Hey, girl.
Oh, I know you from somewhere. Add time. Ain't you was on Monkey Out with my nigga last night? His name Mike 1234.
Probably why, bitch? The fuck?
You mad? Cause you.
That's
What
this
you?
app is for. If
Okay, and but still, what's good? What's good?
Okay, well, shut the fuck up.
What's good?
Clearly all on the camera, bitch.
What's good? What's good? What's your addy? But what's your addy though? But what's your addy? What's your addy? You mad, but don't get. Hello, let me listen to me, sis. Don't be getting on here with everybody, nigga.
You don't even sound like this one with this chicken.
What's
Hey, oh my God, you're pretty.
Who is Ashley?
Me.
Ain't you? You was on Monkey Out with my nigga last night.
Girl, yes. How you know?
Bitch gonna tell me something. Yes, how you know? Girl, don't play on me. If I really did have a nigga, it would've been up for real. I'm serious. Don't play on my nigga now. That's one thing you don't play. It's like, nah, I ain't got no nigga though. Yeah. What's down?
Oh my, so pretty. Wow. Hello.
Hey.
How are you?
At time, cause I think I know you in the back with the red and black on. You got a monkey out?
What?
You have a monkey out?
Me?
Yes, you.
Yeah, currently.
You was on Monkey Out with my nigga last night?
What?
Huh?
No.
His name Mike 1234.
I don't. Nah. I just downloaded this shit today.
Oh, why? What's down?
Oh, hi, girl.
Hey, where y'all from?
I'm from Pennsylvania. Where are you from?
I'm from Louisiana.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, I got caught off because she cute with the hat on. There we go, Maddie. Hey.
Hey, girl.
Hey. Your name Maddie?
Yeah.
And Tom.
Where you from?
Your name Maddie, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, you was on Okay with my nigga last night?
No, I have my boyfriend right next to me.
No, baby, you was on Okay with my nigga last night. His name Mike 1234.
I don't know who the fuck that is.
Baby, I'm trying. I'm trying to talk to your girlfriend.
I came with her boyfriend last night.
Hold up. Wait, what? Tell me what?
I'm trying to talk to your girlfriend, not you, baby.
Wait, well, don't call me baby, because I get in trouble for that shit, bro. What you said, go back. Go ahead.
She said I was on webcam. Where on webcam? I don't go on webcam.
Baby, I ain't say webcam. I said on Monkey app. The app that you on. Yeah, you was on Monkey
I
app.
was not on here last night. I was sleeping.
So you show.
My real name is Madison.
Okay, yeah, Madison, Maddie. I don't give a fuck. You was on this bitch with my nigga last night, so I'm trying to see what's up. I'm trying to pull up.
No one was on it, but I'm from New Jersey. You can come.
Pussy.
Tripping.
What's down?
Hello.
Hey, I know you. I finally found you. Ain't you was on Monkey with my nigga last night at time?
Huh?
Ain't you was on Monkey with my nigga last night?
Really?
Really? His
I
name.
wasn't on Monkey last
His
night.
name Mike 1234.
Mike 123.
Yeah, ain't you was on the Monkey with my nigga?
You're tripping.
No, I ain't tripping. I ain't
Let
tripping.
me find out I'm gonna be on YouTube.
How you figure you gonna be on YouTube?
Cause everybody doing this type of stuff.
Hey.
Hi.
What's your name,
Wait.
Sarah?
Mhm.
Ain't you was on Monkey with my nigga the other day?
Add some time.
Ain't you was on Monkey with my nigga the other day?
Yeah. I love him. I'm sorry.
So what you was on Monkey with another person nigga for?
Cause I can.
You can't. Find out them fucking braces out your mouth. You can't.
I fuck with him.
You don't fuck with him.
Gallagher's.
You don't fuck with him. Your shit probably was worse than mine. That's why you had to get braces. You mad? You mad? Shit out. What's down?
What's up?
What's your name? Add time.
What's your name?
My name's Slim. Ain't you was on Monkey with my nigga the other day?
Hell no.
Hell no. Yeah, you was on there the other day. His name Mike1234.
What? Okay. The fuck? What's your favorite food?
Hello?
No, she on monkey tripping, y'all.
I ain't no monkey tripping because your friends on you was on Monkey with my nigga the other day. So how I'm tripping?
Nobody worry about your nigga.
I can't tell you was only with him the other day.
You fucked up.
No,
worry
you
about
fuck.
somebody on monkey.
Yeah, I'm worried about my nigga and you on Monkey app.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what? Okay, what?
That's cute.
Yeah. Don't get on that bitch with him no more. Look at her.
Sorry, though. Did you hear me?
Oh, I know you. Your name Kayla?
What?
Ain't you was on Monkey with my nigga the other night? Add time.
What?
Ain't you was on Monkey the other night with my nigga? With my boyfriend?
If I wanted him, I could have had him.
You can't have him, sis. Don't get on Monkey with my dude no more.
Can I sing? Because I know this YouTube. Now I know this YouTube. Can I sing?
How you figure this YouTube?
Because your acting is like you got to put it down a little bit.
Alright, y'all. That was really it of the video of beefing with females on the Monkey app. Asking if they was talking to my nigga or my dude or my boyfriend the other night. That was really lit. I wish I had my friends with me to make it really lit too. But y'all, like, that was really lit. But anyways, y'all, I'm be doing more videos like that, for real, for real. You hear me? So if the people that's watching this video that's on the Monkey app that I gave my YouTube to, make sure y'all subscribe. You hear me? Shout out to y'all. Y'all did a good job. The ones that was biting back. Because most of you motherfuckers that was biting back was, most of you motherfuckers that was on that one was scary. Like, y'all was confused. Most of them knew it was a YouTube channel, so it was really lit though. Next one I'm gonna be doing is beefing with dudes. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and click that notify bell to be notified when I upload another video. Make sure you follow me on my social medias. Make sure you comment below in the comments which I want to see next on the channel. And you know your girl Slim ain't going nowhere. So stop playing.